but it's messed up. The blinker is coming on when it's not supposed to. It's like it's on something. Hey, thanks for dropping by, CantLetHerDieDIY. This is a 2005 Chevy Colorado. It's been a great truck, 20 years old and 445,000 kilometers on it. But it's messed up. The blinker is coming on when it's not supposed to, when I don't hit the switch. Backing up and I touch the brakes, the blinker comes on. When I turn the right blinker on, the left one comes on as well. So if I touch the brake, my blinker light comes on right there. Let off the brake, brake on, let off the brake. Touch the brake, let off the brake. And it is working out there. You can see that. But now this is the weirdest one. There's the right indicator. Touch the brake. Let off the brake. I would say I have a bad ground linked to the brakes. Isn't that crazy? That is the craziest thing. The first thing I thought of was the switch, the blinker switch itself. The blinker relay, but we don't have one in this truck. It operates by the BCM. Could it be the BCM messing up, malfunctioning? Ground block, rusted and not providing a good ground. It could be all those things. In my situation, and probably yours, it's none of those things. You're gonna love this. This truck is 20 years old, 446,000 kilometers on it. Things are gonna fail on me before they fail on you. It's like a crystal ball. You see what's coming with your truck, and you see how I can fix it ourselves. This is a free fix. Okay, what you gotta do is crawl under the driver's side rear bumper. Now come on in here, I'll show you. Okay, I got you inside underneath the truck, looking back on the back side of the bumper. There's the opposite side of the license plate right there. And if you look here, you can see this is your trailer hitch plug. So what normally is, this plug is normally attached to this plug here, and that goes to your tail lights. Now when you have a trailer hitch, you get the harness and it interrupts this circuit, but it continues on so that it's like a T and it goes down here to your trailer hitch. So what we need to do, there's often a common short in here because these wires are exposed, whereas these wires are protected. So you unplug that and unplug this one that goes to your tail lights, your driver's side tail lights, rear tail lights, and plug them back in like that, like it was originally. And so this is your hitch that you're bypassing your hitch. Now you may need a new hitch harness, which you can get if you want to continue with your hitch, but I don't haul too much with this anymore as it's 20 years old. So let's try this. You got this. That may be all that's going on here, and that's a free fix. I love it. Now let's test it out. Meet me up top. Okay, let's try it. Left blinker. Hey, look at that. Apply the brakes. Okay, it's working properly. Right blinker. Excellent. That was it. Let me check the outside.
Okay. And left blinker?
Yes. Reverse.
Okay. Reverse. Yep.
Excellent. We got her, folks. You got this. You do. Oh, now what?